YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and enjoy content like this, maybe consider hitting subscribe. Yo, so today we are checking out a gaming headset from SOMIC. This is the G710. Cool thing with this is it has RGB colors. You know we love RGB around here. So this headset features 7.1 virtual surround sound, low latency. The microphone is detachable. This headset has a 48-hour battery life. It features a media button which will do things like play, pause, and also volume up and down. I really like the Hornet design of this headset and the RGB colors, of course. They make this headset in gray, that's the version that I chose to go with, but they also make it in yellow and black. SOMIC hit me up and asked me that I want to do a review and test this out, and I said sure, you know, why not give it a try. I have never reviewed a gaming headset, so we'll see how this goes. At any point in this video, if you are interested in checking out the G710 headset, links will be down in the description. So unboxing experience is pretty straightforward. You're gonna get your SOMIC headset. You can see the SOMIC logo design right here. RGB lights on the sides. Right here at the bottom, you have USB-C for charging, you have headphone jack, you have microphone jack, volume up button, a multi-function button, a volume down button, and a mic button. So it comes with this detachable mic, which you connect right here and snap it in. Part where you put your ears over, feels nice and soft. This headset is foldable in case you know, need to travel with it, I guess. But yeah, it has a little bit of flex. You can also adjust it here, you know, in case you got like a big head. Should fit all size heads. To connect this to my cell phone, all you have to do is hold down the multi-function button, open up your phone settings, and now I am connected. So I'm just gonna play some music real quick and let me see how it sounds. With this headset, it doesn't feel like the bass is more present, the mid-range, or like the highs. It just feels like a flat sound, but it's good quality in my opinion. What's cool is if I hit the multi-function button while I'm playing music, it will play and pause iTunes and my Spotify. There is like a voice inside, I guess, that tells you the menu so you know what's going on. All right, I'm gonna show you. This is what it's saying.
Mic on. Mic off. Min volume, max volume.
So that's the way that you know if the microphone is muted or not. I'm gonna go ahead and record something so I can hear what it sounds like and tell you what I think. This is an audio test of the SOMIC G710 RGB wireless gaming headset, and this is the audio quality that you can expect out of it. How about if I talk really low? Hello, hello. Hey, thank you guys, welcome back. Hello. Or how about if I speak really loud? Hey, 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 hey. After listening back to that, to me, the audio quality sounds okay. It sounds like what you would expect from like a wireless headset. I also made a phone call to one of my homies and he said that he wouldn't be able to tell the difference if I was using the headset or if I was just speaking directly into the phone. Now let's talk about connecting this to a computer. So to do that, it's better to use the provided dongle. So this dongle will work with PS5, PS4, Mac, PC, but will not work for Xbox One. It's just like an Xbox One thing where they don't allow you to use third-party headsets. Once you plug it in, you just tap and hold the multi-function button for a few seconds and then it will say connected. The RGB indicator lets you know that the headset is turned on. You cannot affect the color changing mode. It would be really nice though if I could just choose a color or like maybe adjust the speed of the changing of colors. But yeah, all in all, I think it's a great headset. Pros and cons, the sound quality on here isn't like super amazing, but I will say that it is a decent quality for what you're getting. I love that you can take this apart because if you wanted to just rock this like a regular pair of headphones, you're able to. I think they are comfortable to wear. Yeah, I really like the color scheme and I even like the logo and the colors, of course. Of course I like the colors, right? The cons for me is that you can't control the RGB effects. Another con for me is that the only way you can tell the microphone is muted or not is if you toggle the mute button. and then you have to listen to the person tell you if the mic is on or off. The only other thing would be like the Xbox One thing, but again, they never claimed that it did work for Xbox One. So overall, I think it's a really great all-around sound quality coming out of this headset. The 40mm headphone speaker drivers do a great job. Gaming headsets are supposed to give you an immersion experience with sounds in the game, and these headphones don't disappoint. I can hear footsteps well playing Call of Duty. I can use these headphones to consume content on my computer or hop on a Teams call for work and get great audio quality out of them. Another thing that I would like to see is a travel case, because when I travel with these to work, I didn't put it in a case and they got a little bit banged up. Overall, I really love these and I'm gonna be using them here at my setup. Again, if you guys are interested in checking this out, I will leave a link down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Hope that you guys learned something new, enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave your boy a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I'ma holla at y'all next week in my next video. Deuces.